Photoshop Generative AI for beginners. Adobe Photoshop has long been the industry standard for image editing and design, but now with the power of generative AI, even beginners can achieve professional level results with it. Powered by Adobe Firefly, this AI tools let you create, modify, and enhance image using simple text prompts, all while keeping your workflow non-distractive. Today, we'll walk you through the key generative AI features in Photoshop step by step, so you can start creating like a pro. Generative Fill. Let's start with Generative Fill, one of Photoshop's most versatile AI tools. Whether you want to add, remove, or replace element in an image, Generative Fill make it simple. Now let's explore adding objects. Suppose you have a beautiful beach scene that could use a touch more life. Again, use a selection tool to define the area where you want to introduce your new element. For instance, you might draw a rough outline where you envision a sailboat. With the area selected, click Generative Fill and in the prompt box, type sailboat on the water. Photoshop AI will then generate incredibly realistic sailboat options that seamlessly integrate into your scene. You can even generate variations if the first result isn't quite what you imagined. Let's look at another example. Imagine a plain blue sky that needs some character. Select a portion of the sky and type fluffy white clouds into the Generative Fill prompt. You'll be amazed at how quickly and realistically Photoshop adds those clouds. Generative Expand. Next up is Generative Expand, perfect for adjusting an image composition or aspect ratio. Open your image and select the crop tool. Drag the edge of the canvas outward to create empty space. Then click Generative Expand in the contextual text bar. You can leave the prompt blank for the AI to fill the space naturally, or write a description like sunset sky with clouds for more control. Click Generate and Photoshop will create seamlessly extensions of your image. Pick your favorite variation from the Properties panel, and if needed, generate more options. This is ideal for expanding landscapes, fixing edges, or simply adding breathing room around your subject. Generate Background. Want to replace a background in seconds? Use Generate Background. First, remove the existing background with the Remove Background option. Then click Generate Background and type a prompt like Busy Forest Up-Down or Modern Office Space. Photoshop will generate multiple backgrounds that match your subject's lighting and perspective. You can also fill the background with a solid color or import your own image. The latest Firefly updates ensure photorealistic results, making this perfect for quick scene changes or creative experimentation. Remove Tool. Photoshop's Remove Tool just got smarter with AI. This tool lets you erase unwanted objects effortlessly. Adjust the brush size, the paint over the object. And the options bar, choose Generative AI on for the best results. For distractions like words or people, you'll find distractions features. Photoshop will detect and remove them automatically. The AI fills the space, saving you hours of manually editing. Generate Image feature. With Generate Image, you can create entirely new visuals from text. Open a blank canvas, click Generate Image and describe what you want, like a futuristic city at night or watercolor landscape. Upload a reference image to guide the style if needed. Photoshop will generate 3 variations, all on separate layers for easy tweaking. Use Generate Similar to refine the results until they match your vision. Generative Workspace Overview. For advanced edition, try the Generative Workspace in Photoshop Beta. Here you can run multiple prompts at once and browse an inspiration gallery. The all-in-mix timeline keeps track of your creations so you can revisit and remix them anytime. To get the most out of Photoshop's Generative AI, remember, be specific in your prompts, experiment with variations, and use Generate Similar for refinements. Work non-distractively, leverage reference image and don't hesitate to regenerate if needed. With the tools, you are equipped to transform your creative workflow. No advanced skills are required. Dive in, explore, and let AI bring your ideas to life.